If you travel like I do, you know the struggle. Most hotel rooms only have one outlet by the bed, but I need to charge my phone, my Apple Watch, my laptop, and sometimes other devices. That's why I pick up this power strip. This is a 10-foot extension cord with built-in surge protection, so it's perfect for travel or even for home office. One of my favorite features is that it has 8 AC outlets plus 2 USB-A ports and 2 USB-C ports. That means I can plug in all my devices without carrying extra charging bricks. It also has a 1050 joule surge protection, which helps protect my electronics from power surges. That's something that I always like to have when I'm traveling. Another feature is I like is that the ultra slim flat plug. It is almost flush against the wall, so you can still push furniture close to the wall without bending the cord. The cord itself is also flat, so it stays neat and is easy to run along the wall or under furniture. If you're looking for compact power strip with lots of outlets, USB charging, surge protection, and long flat extension cord, I think this is a great option. It's definitely going in my travel bag for every trip.